In this video, I'll guide you through how to automatically move emails to folders in Gmail so your inbox stays organized without you having to sort everything by hand. We'll go step by step, and by the end, new emails that match your rules will neatly land in the right place automatically. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. It's easiest to do this on a computer rather than a phone because some of the options we'll use are only visible in the desktop version. Once your inbox is loaded, take a second to look around and think about what kind of messages you want to organize. Maybe newsletters, receipts, work messages, or notifications from a particular app. Having that in mind will make the next steps clearer. Now, look toward the top of the Gmail page for the search bar. On the right side of that bar, there's a small icon that looks like three sliders or a tiny funnel. This is the search options or search bar dropdown. Click that icon. A panel will open with several fields, and this is where you'll tell Gmail which emails you want to catch with your rule. In this panel, you can enter your filter criteria. You don't have to fill in everything, just focus on what makes these emails unique. For example, if you want all emails from a particular sender to go into a folder, type that email address into the from field. If you want any message that contains certain words, type those into the has the words field. You might also use the subject field for things like invoice, newsletter, or the name of a project. You can mix and match these fields, but try to keep the filter specific enough that it doesn't accidentally catch unrelated messages. Once you've filled out the fields that make sense for your situation, you're ready to turn this search into an automatic rule. At the bottom right of that same panel, click the button that says Create Filter. This tells Gmail you're not just doing a one-time search, you actually want Gmail to perform an action every time a new email matches this search. A new set of options will appear, showing you what Gmail can do with those matching messages. Here is where you choose how Gmail should handle them. To move emails out of your main inbox and into a folder automatically, first check the box labeled Skip the Inbox, Archive it. This keeps those messages from cluttering your primary inbox. Next, check the box labeled Apply the Label. From the drop-down next to it, either choose an existing label or create a new one if you don't have a suitable folder yet. Labels in Gmail act like folders, so pick a name that clearly describes the type of email, such as receipts or newsletters. If you already have messages in your inbox that match this rule, you'll also see an option to apply the filter to matching conversations right away. Turning that on is a great way to clean up your inbox instantly. Finally, click the button to create the filter. From now on, any new email that matches the criteria you set will automatically skip your inbox and appear directly under the label you chose. You can always edit or delete the filter later by going into your Gmail settings if your needs change.